Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and sometimes it's the simplest things that can make the biggest difference, especially in the kitchen. I have this little tray that fits under my drain board and protects my countertop from all of the water. All the water collects and then easily drains into my sink. This is from Oggi, and its simple design means that it does exactly what I need it to do. It protects my counter from all of the overflow from the drain board, does not take up a ton of space. It has a high enough edge so that no matter how much water is draining off my dishes, there's no overflow onto the sink, so there's not going to be any hidden wet spots or puddles that I'm not aware of. And it has a wide area of drainage into the sink. It fits the area of my sink perfectly. So I don't have a ton of space, and sometimes I'll drain my dishes in the sink and sometimes I'll drain them on the counter. So if I'm not using it, it's small enough to fit, easily store away in a cupboard. So it's extremely versatile, simple, but well made. I'm really happy with the way this catches the water, how it looks on the counter, and how durable it is. So if I need to clean it, it stands up well to cleaning. So if you're looking for something that works well and is uncomplicated, but it's gonna catch the water from your dishes that are draining, I highly recommend this one from Oggi. It does exactly what I wanted it to do, and it does it well. And that is my point of view.